Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got...
Hi everyone, it's Keisha the Crafty Planner. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to bring you a plan with me video. Now, I have been kind of MIA over the last, I would say, maybe month. At first, I just kind of got into a slump where I wasn't planning, wasn't really doing anything, no videos or whatever. And, you know, I tried to get back into it, and, you know, I just was not feeling it creatively, I guess. So the last 2 weeks, I think, I have been sewing masks for one of the doctor's offices here in my local city. My sister-in-law is a nurse, and so I've been working on, you know, giving masks to that doctor's office so that she can give them out to her patients as well as the staff that work there. So I decided that today I was going to try to utilize my planner a little bit more in the coming week. So in order to do that and to try to get myself motivated, I figured I'd go ahead and do some decoration. I did do some decorating last week, but I didn't film it. I really, you know, just wasn't up to it. I'm not an expert sewer. I'm not even a intermediate sewer. I'm just a beginner. So it really takes me a very long time to create those masks. But I've stuck with it because, you know, I want to be able to help out my community in any way that I can. And, you know, that's one of the ways that God had put on my heart to do. So, with that being said, let me go ahead and jump in. I've chosen Rainbow Dreams because we can all use a little happy. So, I'm not really a rainbow person, but I've never used this book, so it is time. I've also pulled my colorful boxes as well as the happy quotes, and I was looking at it thinking maybe I could pull some quotes and maybe the colors are similar, but I'm not sure if I'll get to use it or not. So anywho, let's go ahead and find this week. Okay, I'll be planning for the week of April 20th through the 26th. So I'll go ahead and pull those out. Now, I did do a little bit of decoration and used it a little bit last week. But, you know, wasn't really thrilled with it. But anyway, so I'll go ahead and put this to the side. And I will speed the video up. And when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, I am done. And I must say, I really did enjoy creating this spread. Um, Maybe there is something to rainbows and happiness. I don't know. It just really did cheer me up as I was completing this spread. So maybe I'll go on to do another one. Who knows? A lot of you all know that I have probably 10 planners. And as it stands with the social distancing and the cancellation of face-to-face school, with the e-learning and not being able to go out right now, this is the only one I can think of that I could probably use, and I'm just using it for everything, from e-learning where I'm teaching online to my fifth graders, to things I need to do around the house, people that have asked me to make them masks, and so on and so forth. So hopefully I'll get back into using my other planners. Maybe I can find another way to repurpose the ones that I had for work. But other than that, I like how this one turned out. And I may even try to do just another spread just to see if I can keep it going. So, all right, guys, that's it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.